안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today we'll be making Korean egg roll, 계란말이, flavored with green onion. This dish is typically made with eggs and 2 to 3 different chopped vegetables. We'll be using less ingredients but make it super flavorful. Chop the green onion. Crack and beat the eggs in a bowl with chopsticks until the yolks and whites are blended well. Lift the chopstick like this a few times to remove the egg string. Add water, rice wine, and stir in salt. Mix it well. Add vegetable oil and chopped green onion to a medium-sized non-stick pan. Heat the pan over medium-low and stir-fry the green onion until fragrant for about 3 minutes. Then turn off the heat and stir in the cooked green onion to the egg mixture. Wipe the pan with a paper towel. Then add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to the pan. Heat the pan over medium until it feels hot when you place your hands above the pan. Lower the heat and add about 1 ladle of egg mixture to the pan, which is about 1/3 of the egg mixture. Swirl it about to cover the pan and cook until it starts to set. Lift one end of the egg and fold it over the other side. Pour another 1/3 of the egg mixture to the pan. Spread to cover the pan. And cook the eggs over gentle heat. You don't want to brown it. Carefully fold it again. You need a little bit more of the vegetable oil, and let's pour the rest of the egg mixture. Start to fold the eggs when it's half cooked. Rest it for about 5 minutes and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It will definitely come with practice. This simple 계란말이 recipe tastes much better than it looks or you think. Try my recipe and I'll meet you on my next video. Bye bye.